Hello everyone.
Many supporters of MK Party stopped traffic when they marched to Durban City Hall on Friday. The provincial activist Chris Biela told Times Live publication that the protest was intended to voice the protesters' dissatisfaction with governance in the city. He cited rolling power blackouts, water cuts, and joblessness as some of their concerns, and said, "We are acting on the concerns raised by community members who are battling." The protesters, chanting struggle songs, marched in staggered groups. One of the MK supporters from Grace Kingdom Church in Maran Hill said members of his church had been affected by the service delivery problems and said, "We are concerned because our members are also feeling the pinch because all the wrong things that are happening in our country." A strong police presence was visible at the demonstration. The march comes as the city faces wildcat strike by mainly solid waste workers over wages. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.